Unclaimed life insurance benefits await claims. I'm David Parker with the Law Office of David Parker, and this is another entry on my video blog. State regulators estimate that $1 billion is sitting in life insurers' books and owed as death benefits, some of it languishing there for decades. It should be obvious that life insurance companies, well, insurance companies generally, don't like to pay out benefits. Profits in the insurance industry come from the amount which premiums received exceed benefits paid. A recent article in the Wall Street Journal may give you pause regarding whether you might be owed some life insurance money. According to state insurance regulators, as much as $1 billion nationwide is sitting as uncollected life insurance benefits. Why does this happen? Because most policies require that the beneficiary file a claim in order to collect, and many beneficiaries are not even aware that they are entitled to do so. And from the insurance company's standpoint, that's just fine. They'll pay the money if asked, but they're perfectly comfortable with a policy of don't ask, don't tell. It's a hole, one could argue, in estate law and elder law. To be sure, insurance regulators sometimes look askance at this sort of attitude, and some insurance companies have instituted programs to try to identify policyholders who have died and their beneficiaries. But it's not always easy to do so. In the end, if you are the designated beneficiary of a life insurance policy for someone who has passed away, the responsibility is yours and was the policyholder's in the lifetime to make sure that the existence of the policy was known to those who might need to file claims. The journal article has some good advice regarding how to find out about a missed policy. The purpose of a life insurance policy, or the main purpose anyway, is to ensure that a loved ones are provided for financially in the event of the policyholder's death. It's an important tool of New York estate planning and New York asset protection, but only if used properly. The most important part of your estate planning with regard to life insurance should therefore be made sure that your designated beneficiaries know all about the policy or policies and how to file claims when you are gone and their due a payment of benefits. That's a good general rule of estate planning. In fact, make sure that your family knows how things are supposed to go, because you won't be around to make certain of these things yourself. But it's especially important when it comes to life insurance. I'm David Parker with the Law Office of David Parker. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney.